Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. You already know the drill. You see the red button, make it great, and subscribe and join the family, Terry. So today I am sick, but we're gonna ignore that, and we're just gonna, act like it's you don't notice my voice sounds like a man. Like I'm no longer Caitlin, I'm Cottrell, but it's okay, we're gonna get through it. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you how I get my DIY curl caps. This is gonna be my updated version because if you don't already know, I have a version where I do my curl cap, but I use staples. So this is more like a hair friendly one, a friendlier hair one, a hair friendlier one. But both of them work just as well, just as well. Yeah, we're not gonna keep on rambling. We're just gonna get right into this video because my voice sounds disgusting. So yeah.
Do my hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails, baby, how you feeling?
As I said, we're going to be doing an updated version of my curl cap. So all you will need is your hat, of course. I got mine from Room 21. It says finesse, it's cute. A pair of scissors, my string and needle. Really, some needle and thread, which you can buy. I bought at Walmart. It was like $1 something, or like $3 between that. Yeah, and a scrunchie. I'm gonna be sipping on this so can coat my throat and help my voice get better. I like to start by getting the hat and figuring out where I want to cut, and I always cut in the same spot so I don't have to focus that much. So I'm just gonna take my scissors and go along the lines of the hat and cut the material off. So yeah, this is the hat. She is backless and looks very, very iffy. So now I'm going to be taking my scrunchies. I either use two colors, black or white. And with this hat, I think I'm gonna use the white because it goes with like the white in the, in the lettering or whatever. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that, but you can use whatever color you want. You're really not gonna see it anyway because your puff is, yeah. But just in case you do see it, try to match the scrunchie to the detail on the hat or the hat color itself. Then I'm going to just take my scrunchie and cut it in half, basically. Okay, now that you have the scrunchie cut, you're just gonna wiggle out the little elastic that's in there. It really takes a long time to get this out. This really what takes the most time is getting the elastic out of the band because it acts like it just wants to stay in there. See, now it's just playing with me. Hold on.
The next day.
Okay, finally it's out. Okay, now we are going to begin to thread our needle. My scrunchie is white. I'm obviously gonna use white string. Now I'm going to take my needle. It's so itty bitty. It's cute. So then I'm going to take this thingy, the assister. I don't know what it's called for real, but it assists me in threading, so I'm called assister. And I'm going to put it through the whole, ooh, why am I shaking like that? And then I'm just going to take my thread and I get a rather long piece because I never know how many I'm going to feel like doing. And it's hard to get the string in there. At least for me it is. I don't know if it's gonna be shaking or whatever, but I take the string material, whatever, and I wet it just to get it stiff, and I poke it through this hole. Then you take the sister and you pull it out, and while holding onto only one part of the string, like one half, pull the sister out of the string and you have a neat needle. Yeah, so I just tie a knot at the end of this to prepare my thread for sewing. Is this sewing? Hand sewing? I don't know. Then I'm going to take my elastic and into the scrunchie. Okay, now that we have the elastic into the scrunchie, I don't know if you can see it. This is the elastic and this is just the material of the scrunchie. So now I'm just gonna clean up the end a little bit because it's kind of raggedy, and place the elastic, which is here, and put it onto the material, which is air. So you can't even see it, like it's in there. And take my needle and just sew it closed, I guess. Yeah, sew it closed. And I do it until I feel like it's secure, and I feel like this is like secure. Clip the end of the thread like that and tie this down. Okay, so now that this end is sealed with the thread, I'm going to seal the other end. Oh, and because this one is kind of closed, I'm going to get my ratchet comb and just put it through so I can get the other end of the elastic and seal it to the other end of the scrunchie. And this will be your end result, elongated elastic. So now I'm going to thread my string. I'm gonna do this 2 more times, but this time I'm going to make the strings longer because now I'm going to attach the elastic onto my cap. So it's gonna be very long. Okay, so now I'm going to be taking my cap and I'm gonna cut this off first of all. Then, because I cut on the line of the hat, you see this little inside flap that's there? I'm going to take that flap and put my elastic inside of the flap. Then close the flap to the hat. And then sew the thing in. Basically, that's what I'm doing. So yeah, this is the finished product on one side, and as you can see, it's very secure, so it will not be coming off anytime soon. I'm gonna cut this and do the other side and be back in a minute to show you my final result. I'm back and I'm finally done after pricking myself about 20 times. This is really why I like the other method better, but this is more hair friendly, so we're doing it for her. We're doing it for her. So this is the end result, and yeah, this is the hat. I don't know why I did a better job on this side than this side, but I did. And this is the stitching on the inside. And yeah, this is your DIY curl cap. And it looks just like the real thing. I'm gonna put a picture of the real thing in there. And it looks just like it. Like, those people, like the hat people, they were trying to count us out. They were trying to count out the big head naturals. But big head naturals matter. And big heads matter, period. Like, just, yeah. So this is the hat, and this has definitely saved my life on days that I did not feel like doing my hair, like today. And like, it's just the best thing in the world to be able to slap on a hat like a normal girl. Like, I feel normal now. And I didn't at first, but now I do. And I didn't have to pay like an arm and a leg to get it. You can see it on the sides a little bit. If you don't want that to show, just take a bobby pin and pin the elastic tighter to tighten up the hat. Like, you don't even know that I'm having a bad hair day. You just know that I put on the hat. That's all you know. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and you know the drill. You see the red button, make it gray, and subscribe and become a part of the family, Terry. Like, we're almost 200 deep. Like, get us there. You can do it. Follow me on my social media accounts, and yeah, and I'll be uploading every Monday and Thursday. So if you enjoyed your amazingness for the day, and come back Thursday or Monday for a new video so you won't miss a second of this precious face. I'll see you in the next one. Big heads matter.